John Gilliat, and welcome to video number 3 in this little mini series, how to play fiery rumba flamenco guitar. So in this lesson, we're going to talk about how to play a rasgueado, a triplet rasgueado, and I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, so please forgive me for anyone that knows how to pronounce that properly. So let's just review what we've done so far. In lesson number 1, we talked about just playing the basic rumba rhythm. Lesson number 2, we talked about adding melodic notes around those chords when we're playing the rumba rhythm to give us something a little bit interesting. So around each of those chords we had some cool melodic notes that we could play. In this one we're going to talk about a technique called triplet rasgueado. So if I'm playing my rumba rhythm, I can play a technique that sounds like this. Great at the end, so we could add it as a flurry of rhythmic notes to play in order to finalize a section or just to add someplace in the middle of a rhythm piece that we're playing. You would probably hear it if you're hearing like a, that kind of a thing, like at the end of a piece. Okay, so here's how we do it. What you want to do is we'll take our A minor chord again. You want to go up with the thumb. I go down with the middle 2 fingers, and then I follow it down with the thumb. So it's 3 strums. It's fairly simple, just up with the thumb, down with the fingers, but I'm actually opening them up. I'm actually opening up the hand, and then I'll follow it with the thumb. So up with the thumb, strike with the fingers, opening up the hand, follow down with the thumb. We have to do it this way because we want it to be really quick. Up with the thumb, open up the hand, down with the thumb. Thumb, hand opens with the finger strike, down with the thumb. Now you're going to have to practice this a lot because it takes a long time to develop this, and it's just developing that muscle memory. So I used to practice if I'm in the lineup at the bank or something and I had my bank book or something or my cell phone, and I would literally, let's just grab a case, I would literally just practice striking something with my thumb, opening up my hand and striking with my fingers and following with my thumb. So I'd be sitting in a line someplace doing this, driving people absolutely crazy. But I was practicing my guitar, and I didn't have to have a guitar in my hands, which leads me to something very cool. There are so many things that you can actually work on without a guitar in your hands from anywhere, and this is just one of those things, right? Okay, so against the strings, I'm going to go up with the thumb, open up the hand when I strike with the fingers, down with the thumb. It's 3 strums, so we can count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Do it really slow. And then as you get faster, it's going to start coming together. The deal with this is we want it to become very metronomic. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like we're marching really quickly. Okay, as you get quicker, you can get this very light rhythm sort of thing going on. When I'm playing it a little bit quicker, I strike the strings now, thumb, middle finger down, and then thumb follows. So it's whatever works for you. So I like to use my middle finger on the down strum when I'm strumming lightly and the rhythm's faster. Now, in the last lesson, you may have saw me do something like this when we were talking about Malaguena, and I was showing you how you could add these melody notes in your E chord. This is the B note, the C note, and the D note. And so we put that in with the chord. And then what I was doing, and I didn't even mention how I was doing it, but now you'll know, is I took that rasgueado technique and I was adding these melody notes as part of the rasgueado. So not only can you use it in the middle of just a rhythm sequence or to end something, there I'm just going down, up, and stopping the guitar from ringing. or you can now also include something melodic. So that's it for this lesson. Join me in the next lesson when we're going to talk about how to play the minor scale, just to give you some more single note things that you can also play. We'll see you then.